Hi, good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too.
Did you walk to school today?
No, I came by bike.
That's cool. I came by bus.
Was the bus crowded?
Yes, very crowded.
I'm glad I have a bike.
What class do we have first?
We have math.
I forgot my math book.
You can share mine.
Thank you. You're a lifesaver.
No problem.
Did you study for the math quiz?
Yes, I did some revision.
I didn't have time last night.
Let us review together before class.
Great idea.
Thank you.
Who is your favorite teacher?
I like the English teacher.
She explains things so clearly.
Yes, and she's always smiling.
I also like the science teacher.
Me too. He makes experiments fun.
But I find history boring.
It depends on the topic.
True. Some lessons are interesting.
Especially when we watch videos.
Are you paying attention?
Yes, I am writing notes.
I like this topic.
Me too. It's easy to understand.
I hope we don't get homework today.
Oh no, some here.
The teacher is talking about it.
Oops. Sorry.
Let's focus now.
Okay.
Let's go eat something.
Yes, am hungry.
What did you bring for lunch?
I brought a sandwich.
I have noodles and fruit.
That sounds tasty.
Want to share?
Sure, let's share.
Did you bring water?
Yes, here it is.
Did you do the English homework?
Yes, I finished it last night.
It was a long reading.
But the story was interesting.
I liked the ending.
I didn't expect that twist.
What about the writing task?
I wrote about my holiday.
I wrote about my dog.
That sounds cute.
Are you ready for the exams?
I'm a little nervous.
Me too. I need to study more.
Let's make a study plan.
Good idea.
We can study together after school.
I am free tomorrow evening.
Let's meet at the library.
At 4 p.m.?
Perfect.
Finally, the school day is over.
Yes, I am so tired.
Do you have any plans after schools?
I have to go to tuition.
I'm going to rest and watch TV.
Lucky you.
Do you want to hang out this weekend?
Sure. Let's go to the park.
Or maybe watch a movie?
Yes, that sounds fun.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a doctor.
Wow. That's amazing.
What about you?
I want to be a teacher.
You would be a great teacher.
Thanks. I love helping people learn.
Let's work hard to reach our goals.
Yes. Let's do our best.
We'll make our dreams come true.
I'm glad we're in this together.
Me too. Let's support each other always.
Absolutely. See you in class.
See you. Bye.